Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Rainbow Wallet for Web3 dApp interactions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Rainbow Wallet for Web3 dApp interactions, first, ensure you have the Rainbow Wallet app installed on your device. Open the Rainbow Wallet app on your smartphone. If you haven't created a wallet yet, follow the prompts to set up a new wallet. Once your wallet is set up, make sure you have some Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies in your wallet for transactions. Next, navigate to the Web3 dApp you want to interact with using your browser. Look for a Connect Wallet or Connect button on the dApp's interface. Tap that button to initiate the wallet connection process. A prompt should appear asking you to choose your wallet provider. Select Rainbow from the list of available wallet options. Your device will redirect you to the Rainbow Wallet app. In the Rainbow Wallet app, you will see a connection request from the dApp. Review the details of the request, including the dApp name and the permissions it requires. If everything looks good, confirm the connection by tapping the appropriate button. After confirming, you will see a success message indicating that your wallet is now connected to the dApp. Return to the dApp interface to start interacting with it. You can now use your Rainbow Wallet for transactions and other actions within the dApp seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your wallet app is updated to the latest version. Disconnecting can always be done through the dApp interface if you need to switch wallets later. Enjoy exploring the world of decentralized applications with your authorized Rainbow Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.